At Tecniplast Group, we continuously improve our business operations, always striving for innovation and evolution. We believe that the success of our business is created by individual efforts, good teamwork, and sincere communications with our clients. Located nearby Milan-Malpensa International Airport, IWT headquarters occupy a strategic position in the north of Italy. Our story began in 1949 when the Tecniplast Group was founded. For more than 25 years, we specialized in the design, manufacture, and installment of washing systems for both life science and pharmaceutical industries, with 1,000 rack washers installed in the most prestigious institutes worldwide. IWT campus counts over 8,000 square meters of production areas, design studios, and offices, as well as 2,000 square meters of training and showroom facilities. Customer satisfaction is the mission of our passionate staff. More than 120 people, including 30 designers, 6 project managers, 2 biologists, and 1 veterinarian working to deliver the best solutions. From compact inline bottle processing to innovative rack washers, from fully integrated automation systems to turnkey solutions for heat-sensitive devices decontamination, everything is bound by user-friendly logistic accessories. Our portfolio is the only in the field which covers every aspect of modern wash area requirements. IWT One-Stop Shop. To provide equipment based on quality, durability, and flexibility, all production processes are in-house. Efficiency and energy savings are the cornerstones of both our engineering and operations to develop the fastest and greenest machines for your vivarium. Our team is at the client's side in every project from the beginning, with layout proposals, flow cycle simulations, time schedules, throughput and workload analysis, detailed running costs, and equipment payback charts. Stainless steel components are entirely produced in our metal workshops. Raw material is kept in computerized dispenser warehouses to be safely stored and quickly retrieved. Clients are always welcome to attend factory acceptance tests to witness the commissioning process and validate their own machines with us. Quality time spent in our factory means quicker operations in the field. From the simplest filling table to integrated automation solutions, each equipment is duly assembled, fully running, and tested as per final installation conditions. Capital equipment is meant to last for years. To guarantee the quickest response time and effective spare parts availability, IWT partners only with international brands, selecting the best components on the market, which are stocked in multiple warehouse locations, either in our Italian headquarters or locally at sister companies and distributors' facilities. Thanks to our lean production and supply chain management, all products are developed safeguarding the environment as proven by ISO 9001 and Tecniplast ISO 14001. In our company, we promote a positive workplace culture with satisfying, safe, and healthy working conditions. Our Congress Center offers a large conference room with more than 120 seats, as well as several training and meeting rooms for both staff and visitors. In the IWT showroom, clients can interact with our integrated top-level range solutions. Fully running units simulate real facility layout and functioning to enhance customer experience, providing a preview of the actual final installation. Our equipment, moreover, are at the client's disposal for customized tests. Tecniplast Group has facilities in Italy, the UK, Germany, France, USA, Canada, China, Australia, and Japan. In 2010, a new office and production facility was opened in North America. Our global presence is based on a network of nearly 70 international representatives all over the world. IWT, one world for your vivarium.